Hi, it's Jim from the Dive Line, and we've got another exhibitor spotlight for ScubaDigital. Would you like to introduce yourself, please?
I am Nicolas from ScubaGaskets. We are a scuba diving e-shop, and we are based in Cyprus Island in Mediterranean Sea.
It's great to have you as an exhibitor this year. Why did you choose ScubaDigital?
ScubaDigital was a logical development of trade fairs. Due to COVID-19, in order to exhibit, you have to find a digital way. So we dream about this, and it materialized. So as soon as we saw that opportunity, we jump in and participate, since we believe that this is a future of trade shows.
So what is it that you guys are exhibiting at ScubaDigital?
Actually, we exhibit everything. All our products, service tools, scuba O-rings, service kits, spare parts, lubricants, compressor accessories. We have more than 560 products, all related to scuba gear servicing.
So how are you guys managing with regards to COVID-19?
Very hard at the beginning because during March the post office closed, so we could not ship any order anywhere. We find a way out of this problem by making an agreement with DHL, and we subsidize the cost of this shipping option, so we can sell globally regardless of the order weight at the price of 29.95 euros. So whatever you order, whenever you are in the world, we can ship express shipping via DHL, and you only pay 29.99.
All the exhibitors this year have a special show deal or a discount. What are you guys offering?
We offer free delivery for all orders over 200 euros. And in addition to that, we have 30 or more products at a special discount of 20 to 30% off for the period of this trade show. So people can easily meet all our products.
Are you trade only, or can anyone buy them?
Actually, everybody can buy ScubaGaskets products. For business especially, we have automated system in our e-shop. So according to quantities, they get bulk discounts. So even if you are a big company that want to buy lots, or if you are individual technician or diver, you can buy only one. So we have the special deal with for every category of customers.
Okay. And so above everybody else, why should people come and see you, Nicolas?
We are so specialized that I don't think there is any other shop globally having all these O-rings in such a big variety of materials and hardness and sizes. Just to give you an example, we have more than 120 different O-ring sizes, and we have them in 4 different materials and at 4 different hardness in order to cover all the needs specifically of scuba industry. This is our main target.
Brilliant. Well, thank you so much, Nicolas, for joining us and giving up your time. And we hope you have a great show. So we look forward to seeing you soon.
Thank you. Thank you.